Hey there guys, Captain Hero here, and today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be playing a Roblox Build a Boat for Treasure. Yeah, and I'm back at it again today. But it's going to be different because today I've built something special. You guys are in for a treat. Hang on. I've just built something awesome. I built Krang's Bubble Walker armor. Yeah, that was used by the character Krang from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yeah, it was his suit in the very first cartoon. It was used like another body for Krang before his big android muscular one. I tried my best to make it accurate, but I don't know if it looks any good. But anyway, I'm gonna test it out right now. So let's go right now. Okay. Okay, so first I'm gonna try a little life hack I saw on how to like this very cool like way of how to make machines move. And for starters, to do this, what you need is you need either like a glue block or you need something like a cake block or something. And I have a couple right now. Let me just hold on, let me just fix something again. Okay, and then next what you need to do is you need to place the block on the chair. And then what you do next is that you need to jump. See, like that my character's now stuck in the chair. And watch what happens. Bingo, see, we're controlling it now. Oh wow, it's working. Wow, it's actually moving and everything. Okay, hold on. The legs are acting wonky. Okay, there we go. Wow, and here is Krang's Bubble Walker armor. I mean armor suit. Whoa, what is that? Whoa! Dang, someone else built another mech. Or what was that? A jet or something? I don't know, but it was cool. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make it to the end here. Oh man. Wow, look, I'm just like waiting on my arms. Oh, whoa, what the heck? Where'd this guy come from? Wait, is that a boat? Okay, now where were we? Yeah, so like some guy in a boat just started ramming my boat and then the game started acting wonky. Man, this looks super cool. Man, this is just only the beginning, you guys. There's way more in store. Okay, we'll watch out. There's the rocks. There's the rocks. Okay, come on, Bubble Walker. We can do this. Slow and stay. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, wait. Never mind. Oh, we're getting stuck for a moment. Okay, I'm gonna see what happens when we get to the black wall. Oh gosh, who is that? Whoa. Oh gosh, that guy's got weapons. He's got weapons. Oh gosh, please don't shoot my boat. I mean, my mech. That guy's loaded with harpoons and cannons and all sorts of stuff. Like, we're gonna make it. Here we go. Here we go. What did they say? Okay, here we go. Yeah, time to get some sweet gold. Oh yeah, we're in Mushroom Land. Oh man, we lost the leg. We lost the leg. Oh no! How did this happen? Wait, what? What is that? Is that a portal? Oh no, we lost the leg. How the heck are we still standing? Oh, what the heck? Who's that guy? Bacon? Hey, that was a portal. Why was he in a portal? That's just the gears. Oh, someone died. Did someone just set up a portal, like, right out here? But man, I don't even know how is this the Bubble Walker still like, how is he still expanding. These are one of the new zones. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's baseball! Whoa, look at this, there's hot dogs. Uh-oh, wait. Oh gosh, baseball bat! Oh, they're throwing baseballs at me. Oh, there's hot dogs, cotton candy. These are my favorite. And there's pretzels. Oh man, there's baseballs and they're hitting me. Baseball bat is baseball. Oh no, the leg! Wait, we can still move. Oh gosh, they're hitting us, they're hitting us. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Man, we're actually making it. Slowly but steadily. This armor suit was awesome. Oh gosh, a baseball. We can make it, we can make it, we're going through, we're going through. Yes, we're through. Ooh, the gem cave. Been here before. Whoa, at another new zone. Oh gosh. Oh, are these? What the heck? What are these? Oh, there's a ball. Are these whoa, hey, who's that? Oh gosh. They're throwing darts at me. And balls. Who is that? Oh gosh, come on, Bubble Walker, you can make it. Oh god, who are all these people? And why are they so big? Oh no! Oh no, I've lost control! Oh gosh, I've lost control. They destroyed the seat. Oh gosh. Don't move, just stay in one place. Oh gosh, this is it, guys, this is it. Oh man! A washing machine! Oh god, wait, they're still hitting me, but how? Oh man, I've lost my hair. Oh god, we're falling in, guys. Here we go. Oh, the washing machine! Oh gosh, I'm dead. What? Wait, what? Oh dang, that was an instant kill. Oh man, look at me. I'm just a body. Wait, what just happened to the game? Wait, am I still alive? Look, there's the Bubble Walker. Oh my god, wait, what just happened to me? Am I dead? Wait. Oh no. What could have happened? I'm not even moving. It's not even taking me back to the main island. Okay, I'm back, guys. And, ooh, we got a lot of gold and stuff. We got 56. Ooh, we got 3 chests. Ooh. That's some good stuff. Okay, now let's redeem. Now, let's go get our prizes. Whoa, look at this stuff. A minigun? Large cannons? A mini cannon? Spike traps? Dang. Wow, they got miniguns. Oh, look at all this stuff. Oh, a parachute? A shield generator? Oh, hey. Traveling at the speed of light. Oh, I knew it is a portal. Wow, look at all this stuff. Okay, now let's go get our chest. Let's get a rare one. Oh, yeah, we got so much stuff. Okay. Let's get a common chest. Well, that was fun. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. And until next time.